Let's get cooking on the GE Profile Smart Indoor Smoker. I've completed the pre-smoke checklist already, ensuring all parts are installed correctly. The hopper is full with pellets, the auger is primed, and the waste bin has clean water in it. Let's turn the dial to our preferred cooking setting and select it. Press the probe/time button to determine when the smoker is done, either using the temperature probe or a set cooking time. Then we can adjust settings like cook time, smoker temp, and smoke level. To start the cooking, press the start button. The smoker will have you verify water and pellets are ready to go. Then the first stage is preheat. Leave the smoker empty for now. The screen will say ready when you can put your food in. After that, the smoking stage will begin. This heats up the pellets to start enveloping your food with smoke and adding that great smoky flavor. Once the smoking is complete, the third stage, cooking, will start. This will continue to cook your food without smoke, cooking to the targets that you set for time or internal temperature. And lastly, the keeping warm stage will gently heat your food until you are ready to take it out and serve.